get in my basket this Christmas. Let's give it a go.
This is like Taste the Differences. It's, you know, more peanut, more sauce.
Yeah. Yes?
Cheers.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new Christmassy video. So today's video is the next episode of my long-running Christmas taste testing series where I am going around to all of the supermarkets picking loads of their Christmas food out and eating just that Christmas food for 24 hours so I can rate it all out of 10 and let you guys know what you should and should not be buying this Christmas. Today's video we're actually taste testing a load of the Sainburys Christmas food range they have in this year, and I am excited. If you haven't already, I would go over and watch my Sainburys Christmas food haul that I released just a few hours ago, and that basically tells you everything you're going to see tasted in today's video with the prices. If you just want to see me eat the food and rate it out of 10, then keep watching this video. So if you are new to the channel, by the way, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. I would love to have you join our community. Like, we love to live our best lives on a budget, so make sure you are subscribed. Anyway, I'm not going to ramble because as always, I'm starving. Let's just go and have a Sainburys Christmas day. So grab your shopping list and yeah, let's go.
Joyful and triumphant, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him born.
I have my gingerbread latte here, which, by the way, I'm super excited about. It smells blooming good. It smells like really unique as well. And I also have my bowl of mince pie porridge. We will taste test the gingerbread latte first. Is it really going to be a good day if you haven't started the day with caffeine? For me, the answer is no. Anything gingerbread flavour, anything can get in my basket this Christmas. Wow, that is so much more flavourful than I thought it would be. It's actually full of flavour. There's a lot of flavour in there. There is a really strong gingerbread flavour in there. It doesn't taste like very much like coffee. It tastes more like sweet gingerbread. I do like a strong coffee, I have to admit. I normally have a black coffee, you know. I'm hardcore, but this is like a really sweet coffee. It's actually a really nice treat, to be honest. I actually really like this. I didn't think I would like it as much as I do, but it's actually really nice. I would recommend buying this, I'm not gonna lie. Probably gonna get a strong 8 out of 10. Like that's a good 8 out of 10. I think that's a really good score. Okay, now to try the mince pie porridge, which was really fun because it exploded in my microwave. I actually made mine with almond milk. It's cooked just fine. It did explode in the microwave, but that's because I left it too long. I don't think it smells very mince pie. I thought it would smell like a lot stronger of mince pies by now, but it hasn't. Let's give it a go. It's actually really nice. It doesn't taste very much of mince pie. It tastes more like, there is a type of porridge you can buy which has like mixed berries already in it. I can't remember where it's from. It's okay. What I will do is I do have some sweet cinnamon in the cupboard from Aldi or Lidl. I'm going to pour a little bit of that on top of this porridge because I think that will make it taste just a little bit more festive, a little bit more like a mince pie. Breakfast, I'm probably going to give this an 8 out of 10 as well. That kind of does surprise me because it's not like it's tasted exactly to what it's
Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
It's salmon, cream cheese, Bellini time. I am so excited about this one. I only really have this at this time of year, so for me, this is making me feel super duper festive. It looks really nice. The cheese actually looks so good. Normally, if I'm doing something like this, I will go for the branded version. I normally used to go for Philadelphia. Not this year, so it seems. We are trying the Sainburys full fat cheese with the Sainburys mild and delicate salmon and the Sainburys Bellini. Just gonna go in and have a bite now because I'm flipping hungry. Yum. That was actually really nice. The Bellini is Could have done with a lot longer in the oven. It does say to warm up for 3 minutes in the oven, but the bellinis are a little bit doughy. I think because they're quite big, put them in the oven for like 5 minutes, maybe even longer. But really nice. The salmon, if you are a salmon fan, that was actually really nice salmon. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually really good. It says on the package mild and delicate or light and delicate, and I really truly believe they've done that right. I have tried salmon from Tesco and it definitely wasn't light and delicate, it was very salty. The cheese is so good, like the cheese is really nice, and it's a lot cheaper than Philadelphia and other branded types. Probably be getting that full fat cheese again from Sainsbury's. This is actually delicious. I'm really happy. Sainsbury's isn't the cheapest, but I do think that was actually a really nice bellini. It all tasted very good. So I'm going to give this a good score. It's going to get a 9 out of 10 for me. Overall, every single item was really tasty. Delicious. Hello. So we are at the stage of the day where it's crisp tasting time. You know the drill. I hope you've seen these videos.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Crisps on offer in the festive section at Sainsbury's this year. Very much similar flavours to Aldi's, Lidl, Asda. So I didn't want to like get all the same flavours, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm mixing it up
Yeah.
with some aromatic maple glazed duck flavour crisps.
I'm so excited about this.
Really unique, aren't they?
I've never had a crisp like that before.
No. Make them obviously, and then we're going to open the dip some crisps. Isn't that just such a festive thing to do?
These dips, I swear they do.
That is Christmas
It's the
family
same,
party.
it is. Those 4 dips in one, that is a Christmas family party.
Oh.
Not a massive amount of smell.
They really remind me of something.
Yeah. I'll tell you what they remind me of.
What?
Those, is it Walker's Sensations?
Yeah.
Thai sweet chili.
Yeah. That's the first thing I thought of.
It is. And for me, that's a little bit disappointing.
Why?
This is like Taste the Difference. This is, you know, aromatic dark with oriental spices. I
And
want
it does
something
have,
special.
Sweetness, a lot of sweetness. Like you can taste like the maple.
Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's that sweetness which is putting me off. Let's have a good. I
quite like them.
The more I have of them, actually, the better they are.
I really like them. I'm gonna give them a strong 8.
I'm gonna give them a 7. I've had others that I've preferred, but they are not bad. If they were on a big plate at a party, I'll be stuffing my face.
The only downside to these dips, right? They're so hard to see what I mean.
Oh, every time. Look.
You just can't open them. It opens like that. We've got Thousand Island, cheese, chive and onion, garlic and onion, and cheese and chive. My favourite is not a generic one. It's the garlic dipped in Thousand Island.
Oh wow, of course it is.
Yeah.
Have you
so
ever?
good.
Yeah, it's like that film When Harry Met Sally.
I think that's the onion because the chive ones are always opposite, and that's the Thousand Island. That is how much I put on my thing as well.
Okay. I'm gonna go for this one first.
That is a good Thousand Island. Okay, we're gonna carry on eating our chips. No, chips and dips.
Yeah.
And then it's dinner time. So see you in a second. Okay, finally it is dinner time, aka some Sainsbury's party food.
Yeah.
Party food time.
Stars up above are smiling.
Okay, so we have our satay chicken here, which can I say I think looks really good already.
So excited about that.
Prawn toast here, sesame seeded prawn toast, which I am very excited about. You not so much. And the katsu chicken here. We have the satay chicken sauce here and the katsu sauce here. I reckon we should start with the katsu chicken. The nuggets look quite crispy, don't they?
They look quite crispy. Are they like panko breadcrumbs or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is like katsu curry. Quite nice actually.
They're not bad.
Do you like them or not? You don't like them?
I'm not over fond of them. So I like a little bit more spice and stuff like that, a bit more flavour. But
Yeah.
they're okay, they're fine.
It's like a chicken nugget, like a kid's chicken nugget really. Not too bad though. I actually really like them. I like the breadcrumbs on the outside. The sauce is really nice, really coconutty. It's quite fragrant, the sauce. Not like Wagamama's katsu curry, which we all secretly want. But it is like a really nice curry sauce.
Yeah.
I'm personally going to give that an 8 out of 10. I'd recommend that.
I'll give it a 6. It's the sort of thing that if I'd had a few drinks, I would probably be stuffing my face with.
Okay, now sesame seeded prawn toast. I'm definitely going to try it. Are you going to try it?
I guess I should. I don't think I've actually ever had...
It's just like fried bread. Really fried bread. Go. There's no point in asking you because you don't like it.
I'll be completely honest, I don't really enjoy it.
No. But for someone who likes prawn toast, that is actually a really good prawn toast. It's absolutely full to the brim with sesame seeds. It's not like too oily, which is nice. It's got like just quite a subtle flavour. I really like them. I'm gonna give them a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
So far so good, yeah. But yeah, we are looking forward to the satay chicken. It does look so good. Out of all of the kind of chicken skewers we've tried so far, so I think we've done Aldi, Asda, these look the best. So there's one for you.
Thank you.
One for me. We'll dip them in the sauce, the allocated sauce. Go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Isn't that really nice?
Yeah.
Honestly, for a supermarket satay chicken, probably one of the best I've had. Not that I've had many, but that's so good. We went to a Thai restaurant not too long ago, to be fair, a few months ago, and you got satay chicken, and to me that was similar.
It's like the chili. It's not exactly restaurant quality, but my god, I don't think you could get any better from the supermarket.
You can't get any better.
No, that was really good.
I highly recommend that to people. Like, that was so nice. I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10. I have to. For a supermarket chicken satay.
I know, like literally.
The quality of the chicken.
Really, I want even more chicken, more peanut, more sauce.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna give it a 9 just because, you know, I just want more of it.
That's great. I recommend that to people. Okay, it's chocolate Yule log time. Sainsbury's chocolate Yule log.
This looks good.
Oh yeah, it's got that like white sugary powder on top, which really reminds me of like a proper chocolate Yule log. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's give it a go.
I think that tastes how it should taste. It's like chocolatey, the icing inside, nice, not too sweet.
Okay, that was nice. Not much else to say about that. It's a good Yule log. I recommend it if you are popping in Sainsbury's and you want to get a Yule log. We know the Sainsbury's one is good. I recommend it. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It's not like extra indulgent, but then it's nothing different to what I expect from a Yule log.
No, I'd agree with that.
Yeah.
We have tried one more, didn't we? The Tesco one. And this is better than that.
Traditional Yule log.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are trying the sorbet strawberries and cream Santa hat. This is basically a massive lump of sorbet with ice cream top and tailing it. It looks good, like I won't lie. I think it looks really like authentic, really cute. Looks very Christmassy, obviously. It's like a nice treat. Not very practical. I didn't realise that buying box would mean you'd basically almost have to have the whole box at once. See, as you can see, I was really struggling to actually get one hat out, not 8 of them. We won't be able to eat 8. So it would have been like such a waste of food. So we had to cut it with a really sharp knife just to get one hat. That is just my pre-warning. They're not individual things. Go.
Cheers.
Quite sweet. Very sweet. I think it's nice though, actually. I think a kid would love that. It's like it tastes like Fab Ice Lolly. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It's actually quite refreshing for this time of year. It's quite nice.
And you might want that after a heavy dinner.
Yeah. If you like strawberry flavoured things as well, I reckon you'd love that. Because it's not too much of like a fake strawberry flavour. It's just a nice strawberry flavour. I like that more than I thought it would.
It's nice.
I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10.
I'm going to give it an 8. It's not a 9, not quite a 9.
As I've said before, literally every time I do one of these videos, I have more and more stuff that I definitely want to buy for Christmas. I absolutely love filming these videos and I really, really hope you are enjoying watching them and also you're getting like some useful information out of them. Anyway guys, I will see you very, very soon because you know what it's like over on this channel at the moment is video after video. I love you guys very much. Have a lovely, lovely rest of your day and I will see you soon.
smiling when